Hey, really excited here. Merry Christmas. This is my Christmas present here. It's from you to me. And I'll get my pocket knife out here. Let's see what it is. There, got a nice catalog. Blacksmith Depot. So this ought to be some pretty good stuff. Nicely packaged. Let's see what we got here. Let's grab a towel. Try to pull these out somewhat of an order. Okay. We got here a nice set of fullers. We got 3/8 inch fuller, 1/2 inch fuller, 3/4 inch fuller, and a 1/4 inch fuller. Opposite end of the spectrum, we got bottom fullers, the same sizes. We've got 3/4 inch fuller, that's 1/4 inch fuller. There's a 1/2 inch, and this is 3/8. These are bottoms. Notice they're square. That'll fit in your hardy hole of your anvil. These top fullers, bottom fullers. One thing I do notice here, interesting. Holes aren't the same. Kind of cool, I guess. And I've got these guys. These are... Uh-oh, sorry. Clock's going off. Even these aren't the same as these. That's just going to make putting handles on them all the more difficult. But I got a top switches. Got 5/8. Got 3/8, got 3/4, and I got 1/2. Because I didn't get any bottom swedges, that's because I have a swedge block. But just a minute, just a minute. It's normal to keep handles handy, right? So, like I'm going to need to fabricate my own handles because that one, you're not supposed to wedge top tools like these, so I can just make my own handles out of whatever I've got. So there you go. Merry Christmas and